Hello, YouTubers. Got a shout out video. $5.75 in postage. Anyway, this is from Aidan'S Sound Connection. Let's get this thing opened up, see what we got in here. This is, I've heard some of this music, and I tell you what, man, it is clean and clear and awesome. So, expect nothing but the best from this guy. Yep, it is the blue one with the right writing. White writing. Shout out. Aidan'S Sound Connection. Sub down. Thank you very much, dude. You guys need to get on these because I'm telling you, they run out pretty quick. This was the last blue one, and I just got to tell you that there's the sound quality, in my opinion, versus any of the other rebasing and slowing technology. Aidan'S got the best of the best. So anyway, definitely need to go with getting yourself one of these. As you can see, a lot of it's in the almost $6 in shipping alone, so he ain't making nothing off this. And all the time it has taken him to make them sound so perfect is awesome. I really appreciate it, dude. And shout out to Aidan'S Sound Connection. Need to get some stickers made up, bro, and get them out to me. And if you have any business cards also. Anyway, this is really cool because I'll show you here in a second. I have huge wrists and this thing fits. And it's not uncomfortable. So, really nice. Thanks a lot, dude. I appreciate it. Shout out. So tomorrow is the first day of the teardown. Pulling the enclosure out. Pulling the Alpines out. MRD-M1000s. I have the DV drive. A4 1800D. And then I got these two Alpines, one on each side, and they're just an awesome amplifier. My 4-channel DB drive amplifier is down there. I'm trying to sell it $150. Don't get it mixed up with the Alpine amplifiers, because those are $200 each, and they both have to go together as they were bought at the same time. Full digital. No knobs. Anyway, I'm out. That's the shout out. And another alternator. And I'll be talking to you guys soon. You'll be seeing the build. So take it easy. Have a most awesome day. Friday the 13th. Peace.